If you're in the market for a used car, you're looking for value in economy. But what if the used car you're looking to buy is a Ferrari or a Jaguar or a Bentley? Kailash Menon pays a visit to Big Boy Toys, perhaps India's most exclusive used car store.
Now, buying a pre-owned luxury car or an exotic sports car can be a bit of a tricky business, especially when you don't know the vehicle history, who drives it or how well it's been tended to. But what if I tell you you could have a hassle-free pre-owned purchase experience, not worry about the authenticity, the warranties or the documentation of the car you purchase? Well, if that's what you crave, you need to head out to Big Boy Toys. Exotic cars of all makes and model, all under one roof. Yes, this 4,000 square feet showroom houses more than 4,000 bhp of pure elegance and exotica. And as a customer, you have plenty to choose from. The current lineup had a timeless Porsche Targa, a majestic Rolls-Royce Ghost, and a frighteningly fast Ferrari F360 Modena Spider. And though all these cars are pre-owned, trust me, they're as good as new.
The cars which we buy, we don't buy anything which is less than 2011. Maybe last would be a 2010, not more than 1-2 years old, and something which is not driven more than 30,000 kilometers in regular cars. But in sports and supercars, you don't see more than 3, 4, 5, 7,000 kilometers. As if you talk about right now, if you talk about the stock, I have an Audi R8 which is driven 1,700 kilometers. I have a Rolls which is 3,800. I have a Porsche Cayman which is 1,100 kilometers. So this is what is our expertise, procuring cars from all across the country with very low mileage,
Now, you don't want to buy a Range Rover and later figure out it was used by bad guys to peddle drugs or dispose dead bodies. Now, here at BBT, these guys do all the verification checks, and only once the documentation is deemed proper does the vehicle qualify for a proper vehicle test. And before they buy any car, they go through its past timeline and paperwork very carefully.
Documentation are concerned, we have a very strict guideline on documentation and the quality check. We are only surviving on the quality. That's what is the USP of our business. As far as documentation check is concerned, we have we take the NCR crime report, that's called National Crime Report. We take out the insurance history, whether the car is met with an accident. We check up the service history of the car, whether the car is met with an accident or not. Definitely we have the experts who check the cars. There are 151 checkpoints which we have with BBT. When you deal with BBT, you're 100% sure. Quality, lately, yes, when I started business, quality was the biggest question. For the last 2-3 years, people don't talk about quality with us because they know when they're coming to Big Boy Toys, quality is not a question now anymore.
And once the documentation of the car is deemed faultless, every car goes through a stringent 151 quality checks, which involves the engine, the body, the underbody, the interiors, the electricals, and finally a full-blown road test, after which it joins the BBT fleet. But they're not just into buying and selling. If you want to swap your luxury car for any slick set of wheels here, you could do that too.
3 minutes is what it takes for us to evaluate your car and give you the new car. You just pay the difference amount, get in with your car and take a new car. So it's very simple.
So if you're bored of your luxury saloon, want to sell it and buy something more exciting and exotic, you know where to head out to.
And that was our show for this week. We've had a great time making it. We hope you've had a good time watching. Remember, you can catch the entire episode online at timesnow.tv or youtube.com. Till next week then, ciao and take care.